Claude Code is an amazing tool. It's very powerful because it can combine the intelligence of the AI and the usage of your computer. Here we're going to see the fastest installation for Windows. We go by the book, so we suggested from Claude Code, we copy here from the PowerShell command and paste it in a PowerShell. Enter, and it starts execution of the PowerShell commands. We're going to see here that it gives us an error if we don't have Git installed, like we see here. So we go to the link here and install Git for Windows. And this is the setup here. I'm going to copy the links down so you can just copy paste them. It's downloaded already. Executing Git. And yes. Okay. We can set some options here to check for updates. And our editor that we're going to use, Visual Code for me. The most other settings are by default very okay. Okay, next. If you don't know about Git, you should learn it if you want to code, so you have all the versions of your code available and can go back if you make something false. This will help organizing your code, because Claude Code is a favorite tool for developers, because you can create very easy applications and fix them. And it has agentic usage too, so because it uses your computer, you can give him some tasks that it can execute. So it's very, very powerful. Okay. And it's finished. Of course, there are other tools that do the same, like Open Code. This is an option, a very good option too. But Claude Code has the most things out of the box. Finish here. We execute again the command. Claude Code must be used with the AI of Anthropic. Or another option is with third-party tools, or an API of Anthropic if you have both already tokens. But there are ways to use it with other AIs, like GLM, so you have more tokens, or you can use it with local AI. And this is one thing that we're gonna see in the next video, and use Claude Code with a local AI that we have installed. And then we have unlimited token for our projects, and we're gonna see if it's worth it or not. Okay, it's running. It takes a little time. Okay, installation ready. What you see here, and that is important, we must add something to the path. What is the path? The path is that Windows can execute it from wherever path we are in our PowerShell. If I try to execute Claude with help here, it's not gonna find it. But if we add it on our path, then it can be executed from everywhere. Let's see what is the easiest method to add this. We're gonna here start. system, and we just gonna search it. It's faster, like, and we don't need to go step by step there. We just search it here. We select, okay, path, edit the path. Let's have it here side by side, so it's more clear. We select the path, edit. These are two paths that are already inserted, and we insert this path suggested here, where the location of Claude is, of course. Okay, paste. Okay, and okay. This is not going to run in this PowerShell. We must close it and open a new one, so it reads the new path. PowerShell, and now, like magic, we see that it's executed from everywhere. Claude, and it's starting. Welcome to Claude Code. This we have the theme that we're gonna use, dark or light mode. Select one, and here are the options that we talked about earlier. With the first one, if you have an account, you get redirected by it and the browser, and you can log in and you use the AI models of Anthropic. Okay, stay tuned to see in the next video how we can connect it with a local AI and see some tests if it's capable. We're gonna use Gwen, the 30 billion, and maybe Nemontron 2 in the next one. Stay tuned.